Right now, Tennessee state lawmakers will try one more time to pass a law allowing large cities to regulate safe gun storage in their cars. It's in response to a boiling controversy between lawmakers and the Memphis City Council. The city wants putting several gun safety referendums on the ballot, and state lawmakers threatened to take away Memphis's sales tax revenues if they went through with it. Here's ABC 24's Stephen Pimpo.
From a historical perspective, it is unprecedented.
That's how Vanderbilt professor Jessica Traunstein, who spent 20 years as an expert in political science, describes the threat by Tennessee state lawmakers to withhold state sales tax revenue from Memphis over ballot referenda to introduce gun control measures in the city.
I have never encountered a situation where a state withheld general pots of money in this way in response to a particular policy disagreement.
State preemption is nothing new for the city of Memphis. It was earlier this year the state legislature passed a bill overturning a city ordinance outlawing pretextual traffic stops after the death of Tyree Nichols.
All powers that cities have in the United States are given to them by state governments.
However, Memphis is a home rule city, a legal status where cities can make important policy decisions independent of the state government.
Jurisdictions at the local level can be more restrictive than the state government, but not less restrictive. But that is not always true.
But in order for local governments to overrule the state, they usually have to get the courts involved.
It would have to do with what are the Tennessee guidelines around home rule, and what does home rule permit cities in Tennessee to do?
Other state lawmakers say gun safety is something voters across Tennessee support.
4 or 5 statewide quality polls, and each one of them have said the legislature is out of step with what they want in terms of the core common sense gun measures.
Professor Traunstein does not see this rift between Memphis and state lawmakers going away.
I think that this is only going to increase, and I am not optimistic about these parties leaving each other alone.
In Memphis, I'm Stephen Pimpo.